We all love Tracer from Overwatch, but did you know she's more than just a cover girl? Tracer is literally the first hero they coded. At first, she wasn't even using weapons, just shooting lasers with her eyes. But apparently that was so fun, they decided to build a game around it, Overwatch. It was the first new universe from Blizzard in almost 20 years. Not for the lack of trying though, they did work on something called Project Titan, which ended up being abandoned. Well, a bit of its spirit survived through Overwatch, as one of the classes you could be in that game was Jumper, a class that could blink and recall just like Tracer. Did you know that Tracer's first appearance wasn't in Overwatch though? Her actual video game debut was in Heroes of the Storm, almost a month before Overwatch. Who's your favorite Overwatch character?